Hello everyone, today we're going to be setting up the precision node end stops. So go ahead and open up your PDF and scroll down to part 3. Below that you'll find a pocket guide. Now these are all the commands and settings for your CNC 3018 Pro. So we're looking at number 21. This is to enable and disable the hard limits. We'll need to set this up before we can start testing. Open up the candle program. And then go to the bottom where the console is and type money sign, and press send. Next we'll want to right click in the console, select all, copy, open up Notepad, and paste it right in there. These are your settings for the CNC controller. And how it's set up is money sign is to start the command, and then a number that is associated with the setting, and then by pressing equal and then a value, you're setting that value to that setting. Before changing anything, let's save this file so we can use it later if we have to. Go to the console, type in money sign 21 equals 1 and press send. Now that the hard limits have been enabled, we can start testing each node switch. Each time a node is triggered, you'll see that the status turns into alarm. So to reset that, you'll want to hit reset and then unlock. To test and trigger a node, just simply push the button. We'll want to trigger each of the nodes for each of the axes and make sure that they go into alarm. Next, we're going to be testing the emergency stop button. So for this, we're going to turn on the spindle, and then we're going to push the emergency button. Once it's pressed, operation should stop. After successful testing of the node switches, we can enable the homing cycle. If you go to your PDF and go down to the pocket guide, it'd be number 22. So switch over to candle, go to your console, type in money sign 22 equals 1, then send. Before using the home button, there's a few other parameters we must set up. So head over to the pocket guide and go to numbers 130 through 132. This is to set up the maximum travel for each axis. Back to the console Money sign 130 equals 300. 300 millimeters is the size of the X. Now money sign 131 equals 180. And money sign 132 equals 50. Don't forget to hit send after each of the commands. If you think that you forgot, just put money sign in and copy and paste in a notepad and just verify. Head back over to the PDF and we're going to be looking at a homing cycle direction, which I believe is number 23. If I can find it. Yeah, 23. This is going to allow us to set our home for the bottom left corner of the machine. For the last setting, we're going to be configuring number 27, which is the homing pull-off. The setting is in the millimeters, and this is just the millimeters that it's going to pull away from the node stop. So after it triggers the node, then it's going to back off 2 millimeters or whatever you set it. Now it's time to test the homing function. Under control on the top right, the first icon is the home button. Click that and you should see your machine start moving towards the home position.